Hi. It looks that we have to tuck this away again. The rains are back. Nevertheless, those that survived the wet winter are now blooming, and that deserves a tour. Welcome to my garden, and welcome to this late summer tour. Let's start here. Look what the rains have done. What a glory! This riot of colors. I didn't expect to be dominantly pink. I was expecting more combination. Look, even the grass here, a carpet of grass, is healthy. I just mowed the grass yesterday. Look, I think there's more to show here. Let's show the rest of the flowers later. You, Grace, look, how about that? This is the replacement of the one that died. Now this survives, and I think it's gaining more growth. Here at the back, this is the most interesting, at this area at least. Look, riot of colors, riot of colors. The only dahlia that survived is now flowering. There's a struggling dahlia here. It was eaten. All the leaves were all eaten by slugs, and I think it's recovering. I hope it gets a chance to bloom this summer. And among the flowers here, is this chayote, which I think is gaining momentum. No flowers yet, but I'm still hoping that this gets enough time to fruit this year, this summer. I'll show you more at the front garden. I lost many of the dahlias. There are 3 survivors here, which are now beginning to bloom. Look at this. This is promising. A beautiful orange. I think that by next tour, this will be in full bloom. Another here, pink. Look, do you remember this place? Look, it's now a riot of colors as well. Look, this is intended to be purple, more toned down. These are replacements, and they're coming, blooms are coming. Rose here, another pink in there. This is the saddest part of the garden. Many plants here died. Even this tree died. I pruned this yesterday by mistake. It should have been more beautiful than this. Now it's almost bald. Here, the roses are doing fine. And more roses here. And more roses here. This area is intended to be more toned down, violet as much as possible, contrasted by this red-violet color. Look, violets, violets, more violets in here. Another violet coming, and violet who just stopped blooming. There's another violet here, light violet. Look at that. This already finished blooming. And this is the brightest part of the garden. The yellow department. Look at this. Yellow, light yellow. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I'll show you more yellows. And there's more yellow here. Look at the sunflowers. Until there, sunflowers until there. See how the yellow contrasts the violet. So it's at this side. Violet. I'm going to show you the arrangement that I made for last Sunday. Now, I'll show you the vegetable department. Or better, I'll show you first the fruits. Look, apples and pears, apples and pears. I netted them to keep the birds away from enjoying the fruits. Look, the path has improved. I don't understand why the fruits are not looking good. Look, small, I think it's due to the raining. There are grapes here as well, and again due to the continuous rains, they are not good. Grapes in here, grapes in here, they're not good. Now, still here, I'm gonna show you the vegetables. Asparagus here, asparagus. I was pessimistic at first. I thought they were drowned by the continuous rain, but they came. And now they are thriving. Here, wait, I saw this just today. A big courgette. Look at that big courgette. These are, I forgot her name, but what's her name? These are Pinocchio in Italian. I forgot the name in English. One of my favorite vegetables, but I think they escaped me. They should have been harvested when they were young. Decorative, they're also beautiful. Ah, fennel. Now I remember, fennel. Ah, heavenly smell. Okay. And these are the brassicas. Brassica department. These are kale. Winter vegetable. More brassicas here. This is what they call the sprouting broccoli. So I continuously harvest unlimited broccoli. This gave me more coming. More side shoots means more broccolis. I hope it stays blooming for the entire year and for the rest of the years to come. It's the first time I plant this. And my traditional corn, look, they're small. And here, the beans. The beans. I've got more to show you. Let's go to the, what's the name for that structure?
Greenhouse.
Let's go to the greenhouse. And welcome. Look at this. Look how leafy my ampalayas are. And they're starting to bear fruit. Look at this. Look at this real tree. Look at this. More and more in there. We'll be having our first pinakbut this Saturday. It will be a pinakbut festival. Look, I'll be harvesting this head. And more here, and more here. Not only that, besides a pinakbut, we'll be cooking taro. Taro. You know, my 4 fish bore children, small fish, I think more than 24, and I gave them away. You know what happened to the parents and the rest of the kids, of the children? They were eaten by birds. So I replaced them and have them well protected by this net. Yeah. And look at the, what's that flower? That Buddha-like flower? I forget the name. Lotus, yeah, that's lotus. Come, fish, merienda time. Look, they're there. I was surprised. The big one is there. It's not dead. It was just hiding. I think scared by the birds. They're here. I thought they all died. They're here. False alarm. False alarm. They were just hiding. I'm happy. I'm happy. I thought they all died. I don't understand it. For more than 3 weeks now, I haven't been seeing them. I think they were scared by the birds, and they were always hiding. And when I introduced 4 or 5 new, no, they came out. I think they were reassured by the net. No more birds, I think. That was a costly mistake. I went to the store the other day just to buy them, just to buy replacement. It's been an expensive month. New plants, new trees, new fish, new tools. That explains I'm poor. I'll show you my favorite crop, one of our favorite crops. I'll show you the chayote. I just can't hide my feelings. I'm just happy the fish survived, but with regrets I spent much on the replacement. Now, the optimistic chayote here, no signs of eventual fruits yet, but it's very healthy. It's very healthy. One kamote here. One kamote here. Not enough for our dish, but well loved. I planted it in the pot to keep the rats from harvesting its tuber. This is Cosmos. No flowers yet, but we are hopeful. This died. This died. A replacement which is thriving. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't know why they're not flowering well. I think it's time to say goodbye, and I'd like to thank you for joining me here. Late evening or early evening here at the garden. I'd like to see you next time as I bring you more uploads. We'll be cooking here next time. I'll be sharing tips and tricks how to make a traditional pinakbet. Yes, my mother's pinakbet with octopus, dried octopus. See you next time. Good night.